I've been doing plumbing for the last 10 years since I left school, and I've been self-employed doing bathroom renovations for the last 3 to 4 years. The reason why I joined Trade Mastermind was because I just got to the point in business where I just needed to take the next step. I want to start scaling and taking the business to another level. And then the Trade Mastermind came up, and it was exactly what I was looking for. The whole business side of it, the sales, the marketing, understanding the fundamentals of business. All my systems have changed. The business runs a lot smooth. I understand the business. I've got a plan for the business, which I didn't have before. I know the revenue I want to make. I know I've got exit plans. So there's so much to the business that I've added that's very valuable. And the revenue-wise, that's going to come. Since I've joined, I've realized that I wasn't any good in business at all before. I was just a tradesman that was winging my business. So now I actually understand the business side of it, and that it is a business and it's not just a tradesman in a business. I'd say to anyone that's been in the position that I was in before, if you want to take your business to the next level, if you're looking to scale your business, if you don't understand the business side of it, perfect for anyone that's ready to learn and take their business serious and get to a better position.